Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I will be sharing you the uses of sunflower oil. So this is actually the sunflower oil that I'm using. So this is the Human Nature 100% sunflower beauty oil in bloom. So scented to guys, but you can also buy the original sunflower, which is the unscented. Yung sunflower oil lang siya, walang bloom. So, this is 100 ml. So, kung makikita nyo, konti na lang siya kasi gamit na gamit. Na-feature ko din to guys sa Pan Pumuti yung kilik-kilik ko. So, ililink ko yung link down below para mapanood nyo kung gusto nyo panoorin. And also, this is 329 pesos guys. 400 ml. May 100 ml na siya. And may 50 ml din siya. And I don't know kung magkano yun. Kasi laging 100 ml yung binibili ko. Kasi mas mura siya ng konti kaysa dun sa 50 ml. So, you can actually purchase this online. Sa Watsons, kahit sa mga groceries, guys, may mga ganito na. So, guys, this video is not sponsored. So, ayan. Sisimulan na natin. So, guys, first use ng sunflower oil is you can actually use it as a body moisturizer. So, para siyang lotion if you do have a very dry skin or kung may mga maliliit, may mga part kayo ng katawan na sobrang dry na hindi talaga kaya ng lotion, you can actually apply this doon sa mga areas ng skin nyo. And number 2 is actually you can use it as a facial moisturizer. So, if you do have an oily skin or oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, you can actually use this guys because this is really good. And also, ako, pansin ko dito, hindi ako nagkaka-breakouts when I'm using this. So, number 3 guys is you can actually use it to lighten your acne marks. So, as you can see sa face ko, I do have a lot of pimples kasi alam niyo na malapit na kabuwanan, I mean ayan na yung dalaw ko every month. So actually yan yung madalas ako magka-pimple pag malapit na. So eto, malapit na yung dalaw ko. So eto guys, ina-apply ko siya dyan sa mga acne marks ko na nagko-cost minsan. Ayan, sa mga acne marks ko. You can just apply it onto your palm and just dab a little thin layer, ganyan sa mga gusto nyong paputiin. So, 4 guys is actually, you can use this as a hair moisturizer. So, if you do have a frizzy hair, kasi mahilig kayo magkulay like me, you can actually use this. So, para siyang Vitres guys na pump. If you are familiar with that, ganito din siya. And so, number 5 is actually, you can use it if you have crack heels sa feet, ayan, you can just apply it sa paa nyo, doon kung saan may dry area, and then magmedyas lang kayo pag medyo dry na yung sunflower oil sa paa nyo, and nababawasan siya guys. And number 6 guys is actually you can use it to moisturize your underarms guys, kasi aminin natin na talagang nagda-dry yung underarms natin. So, we also need to do extra care sa underarms natin kasi nagda-dry din yan minsan. So, kailangan natin i-moisturize. And 7 guys, you can actually use it as an underarm lightener. And pag ginagamit ko siya everyday, I use this every night guys. Ina-apply ko siya sa underarm. And after a month guys, or after a few weeks, kung mabilis ma-develop yung skin nyo, mapapansin nyo guys, pumuputi na yung underarms nyo. So guys, number 8 is you can actually use it to diminish or mean to lessen the appearance of your chicken skin sa underarm nyo. Just apply this consistently. Ayan, makikita nyo yung changes and magsusmoothen talaga and mawawala yung chicken skin ng underarm nyo. And number 9 guys is actually you can use this as a brow thickener and lash thickener. Kung wala kayo hindi masyadong bushy, since ang trending ngayon talaga, ang trend ngayon is bushy brows, and medyo maganda kasi maglagay ng mascara. If you do have a long lashes, ayun, hindi na kailangan ng extensions, you can actually use this guys. Just apply this every night. So, ayan. So, number 10 guys is you can actually use this Stretchmarks oil. So, if you do have a stretch mark like me, so I apply this sa tummy ko especially and sa thighs. Ayan, Maglagay lang kayo ng mga 2 pumps and then spread nyo evenly sa palm nyo and then just massage it onto your tummy or thighs kung saan man kayo may stretch marks. And mapapansin nyo maglalight yung stretch marks, guys. We all know na hindi na talaga natatanggal ang stretch marks. Talaga naglalighten lang siya over time. So, ayun. Number 11, guys, is you can actually use this if you have new scars. Ayan. If you have new scars, pwede siyang i-apply para mawala na yung scars nyo, mag-diminish siya. So, ayun. Sa new scars lang, guys, ha. So, guys, number 12 is actually you can use it as an eye cream moisturizer. Just apply a thin layer sa under eye nyo. So, if you do have dark circles, puffy eyes, this will help minimize them and soothe them. So, number 13, guys, is you can actually use this if you have insect bites. Ayan, minsan hindi natin maiiwasan, lalo na ngayong tag-ulan, maraming lamok, and hindi natin napapansin na may mga kumakagat sa atin. So, you can actually use it, kahit sa baby, guys, actually pwede to. Hindi ko alam sa baby, pero 2 years old kasi yung anak ko, na-apply ko siya sa mga may insect bites, ganyan, sa mga dry patches ng skin niya, and okay naman, wala namang nangyayari. So, ayan. Number 14, guys, is you can actually, use it sa wrinkles. If you do have wrinkles, just apply a thin layer, ganyan. The sunflower oil, guys, it will help your skin to look more youthful and glowing. So, ayan, more moisturized. So, number 15, guys, is you can actually use this as a makeup remover. Ayan. And this won't clog your pores, guys. And ang ganda din ito. It will actually remove stubborn makeup. Para siyang kapalit ng micellar water. Ganito din yung effect niya. Tapos may moisturizing effect pa siya. So, number 16, guys, is you can actually use this if you have sunburn sa skin. It will help you ease them and soothe the sunburn in your skin. So, number 17, guys, you can actually apply this as a after wax moisturizer. So, if you are waxing your underarm like me, after waxing and cleaning your underarms, you can actually apply this para less irritation. So, number 18, guys, is you can actually use it as a hair growth thickener. So, just apply it on your roots if you have thin hair like me. This will help to para kumapal yung hair nyo kung mag-grow siya, new grow hair. Para kumapal. So, number 19 is you can actually use it as a oil if you have eczema, red patches, so that it will ease them and lessen them. Kasi minsan may mga, lalo na if you do have dry skin, guys, minsan hindi natin napapansin na parang ang kati-kati ng skin natin, yung pala dry lang yun, and minsan may mga red patches na tumutubo. So, you can actually apply this to ease them. So, guys, the number 20 is you can actually use this if you want to lighten your elbows, knees. Alam niyo yun yung medyo dark area sa katawan natin. Just apply this before applying lotion, guys. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. I apply this first before I apply lotion. And over time, nakita ko naman na nagla-lighten siya. So, that's it, guys. That's my top 20 uses of sunflower oil. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And kung may idadagdag pa kayo, please do comment down below and I will try them also. And thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!